Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking me. Okay, students. Before we start our material today, it will be better we pray together. Okay, for the leader, please.
Pray together, big hit. Finish.
Thank you, Mbak. Okay, students. I would like to check your attendance first. Anyone absent today?
No complete, man.
Okay, thank you for joining my class. Okay, I would like to ask to you, do you still remember about the previous material? Adakah yang masih ingat tentang materi kita minggu lalu? Narrative text, ma'am. Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Devi. Okay, the previous material is narrative text. For the narrative text, there have generic structure. For the generic structure, anyone know how many generic structure of narrative text? Anyone, please raise your hand.
4, ma'am. Orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Iha. Okay, students. Now we are going to study about the new material. The first is obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Okay, for the first obligation. Anyone know the meaning of obligation? Adakah yang tahu tentang makna dari kata obligation sendiri? Please raise your hands. Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Fenty. Dan selanjutnya ada prohibition atau apa? Please.
Larangan.
Dan yang terakhir ada suggestion. Apa? Suggestion?
Saran.
Okay, good. Thank you for all. Okay, for the next, please make a group consist of 2 students. Now, please. Okay, students. Here I have some dialogue about obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. This is for you and this is for you. Okay? Please read the dialogue first. And don't forget, analyze the obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Okay, understand?
Yes.
For the first group is here Mbak Fenty and the second group is Mbak Iha. Okay, for the Mbak Fenty group, please read the obligation, and for the second group, read the suggestion dialogue. Okay. Okay, students, anyone ask about the dialogue? Anyone? Yang mana yang ini? Disappointed ini artinya kekecewaan. Paham? I feel disappointed with myself. Jadi maksudnya, ya saya merasa kecewa dengan diriku. Itu. Paham? Okay, students finish?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for the first group, please stand up and read the dialogue in front of the class. In front of the class, please. Please read first.
Teaching you is something that happened. Yes, I felt disappointed with myself. Have looked at me examination result it is red.
Then what you can do on the next examination?
I don't know, I am not sure.
One thing that you must do is to study even harder than you did before. I think you can do it.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Okay. With the expression obligation in the dialogue, please. with the expression of obligation.
You must do is to study even harder than you did before. I think you can do it.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak. Please sit down. Okay, for the second group, please stand up and read the dialogue in front of the class. Okay, please, for the second group, come forward.
Dave, why don't you join us to do math homework?
Sorry, ma'am. I have got to that.
Kelly, you should go to dentist, Dave.
I'm afraid.
It will be better that you feel it for days and weeks.
I'll try. I hope it won't hurt a lot. Thanks, ma'am.
You're welcome. I hope you will get better soon.
Okay, for the expression of suggestion, with the expression.
Really, you should go to dentist, Dave.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak. Please sit down. Okay. Okay, students. Here the definition of obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. For the first, obligation. Anyone know? Orang know, son?
Kapan katakan?
Tak undang gue. Okay, students. There are the definition of obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. For the first, obligation. Please, Mbak Iha, read the definition of obligation.
Obligation is an expression used to express an idea or situation that requires someone to do something.
Jadi maksudnya ialah obligation atau keharusan itu sendiri ialah suatu ekspresi yang digunakan untuk mengungkapkan atau mengekspresikan suatu ide atau situasi yang mana suatu situasi tersebut itu mengharuskan seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. Paham semuanya?
Yes.
Okay. For the next is the structure of obligation atau rumus. For the first is subject. The next modal. Dalam obligation sendiri itu menggunakan dua modal. Yang pertama must, yang kedua have to. Must and have to ini memiliki arti yang sama, tetapi penggunaannya itu berbeda. Kalau must sendiri itu lebih khusus dan dari dirinya sendiri atau keinginannya sendiri. Kalau yang have to itu bisa dari orang lain atau sarannya orang lain, lebih bersifat umum. Dan selanjutnya yang ada main verb menggunakan verb
One.
dan yang terakhir menggunakan
Object.
Okay. Here the example of obligation. Please read the example.
She must tidy up her room every day.
Okay. She ini termasuk
Subject.
subject and must termasuk
Modal.
and tidy up
Main verb one.
and her room every day.
Object.
Jadi di sini sudah lengkap ya the rumus atau structure of obligation. And for the next, prohibition atau larangan. Maksudnya ialah suatu ekspresi untuk mengingatkan seseorang dalam supaya tidak melakukan sesuatu. Dalam larangan atau prohibition tidak hanya menggunakan kalimat atau menggunakan rumus can atau mustn't, tapi juga bisa menggunakan sing atau tanda. Here the example of prohibition. Okay, Rumusnya
Subject,
subject plus
modal,
modal, can atau masan,
main
the
verb
main
one
verb one, and
plus
object. The example is
can.
the first can. You can wear jacket in the class. Yang you is
Subject,
and can
modal,
and
wear
wear jacket
main verb one
in the class.
object.
Okay, students. Here I have some expression of prohibition menggunakan sin atau tanda. For the first, anyone know the meaning of the sin atau tanda ini?
No parking in this area.
Atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya apa?
Dilarang parkir di area ini.
Oh, bagus. Yang selanjutnya ini ada yang selanjutnya. Ada yang tahu?
No smoking in this area.
Oke. Atau dilarang
Apa?
Dan selanjutnya ini ada
Please do not touch.
atau bahasa Indonesianya.
Tolong jangan sentuh.
Oke. Yang selanjutnya
No entry,
atau
dilarang masuk.
oke. Yang terakhir ini ada apa? Ada yang tahu?
Do
Ada yang
not,
tahu
do
tanda
not,
ini?
do not use
mobile
phone.
phone.
Oke. Atau apa dalam bahasa Indonesianya?
Jangan menggunakan telepon.
Okay, thank you very much for your participation. Okay, students, the next is suggestion atau apa?
Saran.
Saran. Suggestion is an idea or suggestion give to someone else. Maksudnya ialah suatu ide atau saran untuk yang diberikan seseorang kepada orang lain. Di sini terdapat strukturnya. Yang pertama ada subject, modalnya di sini menggunakan should ya. Suggestionnya menggunakan should. Artinya seharusnya atau sebaiknya. Selanjutnya main verb, verb one, and object. The example is
You
should get up and have more exercise. The first is you. You is
modal subject.
subject, and should is
modal.
modal, and get up
Main
Main
verb
verb.
one.
and have more exercise.
Object.
Okay, good. Thank you for your participation. Okay, students, we understand about this material, obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
No one asked about this material. Adakah yang mau ditanyakan?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. I think all of you understand about this material, obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Now, please make an example about obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. For the obligation, one example, prohibition, one example, and suggestion, one example. Please, I give you 5 minutes to doing this. Okay, anyone asking about the example obligation, prohibition, and suggestion? Ada yang mau bertanya?
Cara mudah untuk membuat aplikasi gimana?
Contohnya, oke, begini ya. Saya jelaskan dengan bahasa biar kalian mudah memahaminya. Oke, begini ya. Cara membuatnya itu gampang kalau kita mengetahui rumusnya. Yang pertama itu kita harus mengetahui subjeknya. Subjek di sini itu kita menggunakan seperti I, you, they, we, she, he, it, dan bisa menggunakan nama orang. Dan selanjutnya kita menggunakan modal. Modal di sini itu menggunakan must atau have to. Dan selanjutnya main verb. Main verb di sini itu menggunakan verb 1. Verb 1 di sini itu seperti buy, clean, study itu kan verb 1 ya. Dan selanjutnya itu ada objek. Objek di sini itu satu kalimat keterangan atau kalimat pelengkap dari kalimat sebelumnya. Sepertinya ini, she must tidy up her room every day. Si ini kan sebagai apa?
Subject.
Subjek. Dan Mas ini sebagai modal. Dan saya ini tidy up itu main verb atau verb one. Dan her home every day itu sebagai objek atau pelengkap dari kalimat yang sebelumnya itu. Sudah paham? Segini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your word in front of the class, please.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will check your works. Okay, good. Thank you. Your work is very correct. Okay. For the next, please make a group consist of 2 group. Kembali ke grupnya masing-masing. Okay, students, for the group, here I have many example or sentence about obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Okay, please put the example with the correct answer about the obligation, prohibition, suggestion, and pass in the board. Okay, for the first group, please stand up in front of the class and put the example. Okay, for the first group, stand up. Okay, please, you here. Okay, please put the obligation, the example of obligation. Okay, please put the example of obligation. And selanjutnya prohibition, please. And the last suggestion. Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Okay, for the second group, stand up. Okay, for the first obligation, the next prohibition. And the last suggestion. Okay, the first obligation for the first group. You must speak louder. I cannot hear you. It is correct?
Yes.
And prohibition for the first group. Don't leave me alone. It is correct?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Then suggestion. We should go now. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. And for the second group, for the obligation, you must tidy up your room before you go. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
And the prohibition, they have to sleep.
No.
No?
No.
Anyone answer it? The correct answer? Please stand up. Which the prohibition? Please read. Read first.
Don't sleep in class.
Okay, good. And the last is suggestion. You should read a lot.
Yes.
It's correct?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you for all for your participation. For the winner is group 1. Please give a we finish this material, please one of you read the summary. Mbak Iha, please read the summary atau ringkasan dari materi kita hari ini. Please stand up. Okay, Mbak, please.
Obligation. Obligation is an expression used to express an idea or situation that requires someone to do something. Prohibition. Prohibition is an expression to warn others not to do or violate something that is prohibited. Suggestion. Suggestion is an idea or suggestion given to someone else.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Iha.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down. Okay, please back to your seat. Okay, thank you. I think enough for this lesson today.
Yes.
If I have mistake, I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.